Welcome to the Knowledge Academy YouTube channel. Today we're going to introduce you to one of SAP's most valuable tools for business planning and design, the SAP Enterprise Architecture Designer, or SAP EAD. Let's break it down. What is SAP Enterprise Architecture Designer? SAP Enterprise Architecture Designer, or SAP EAD, is a powerful modeling tool. It helps businesses visualize, design, and plan their entire IT and business architecture in one connected system. In simple terms, SAP EAD helps businesses see how all their processes, systems, data, and applications fit together. It gives decision-makers the full picture, making it easier to plan improvements and avoid costly mistakes. Why is SAP EAD important? Businesses today rely on complex technology landscapes. Without the right architecture, systems can break down, communication can fail, and valuable time can be lost. SAP EAD makes sure all parts of a business are connected, efficient, and aligned with long-term goals. It's also essential for companies moving to the cloud, adopting SAP S/4HANA, or redesigning their supply chains. What will you learn in SAP EAD training? How to create enterprise architecture models. How to design data flows, system structures, and business processes. How to align IT strategies with business goals. How to support digital transformation projects using SAP EAD. How to track dependencies and impacts across different systems. Who should take this training? This course is perfect for enterprise architects, IT planners, SAP project managers, solution designers, anyone working on large SAP landscapes or digital transformation projects. Why choose SAP Enterprise Architecture Designer training? By learning SAP EAD, you can help businesses simplify complex system landscapes, plan smarter digital projects, improve business performance, reduce system risks and bottlenecks. It's a valuable skill for professionals aiming to grow in SAP consulting, system design, or enterprise architecture. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy for more SAP learning guides and career tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.